Hey guys, so today we have a 2013 Dodge Journey with a 3.6. Customer's concern is the door locks do not function with the master switch or the key fobs. The vehicle's got 79,137 miles, so using the master switch. You can hear the relay in the BCM clicking when I apply the switch. But the door locks won't function. And I have the key fob right here. And then when I lock it, but the door locks don't work. So, doing a code scan, you can see all the modules are working correctly. So if we go, let's just check all DTCs. There's no codes. So there's no flashes. Go back to topology. We're going to go to the BCM. And I want to look at our door locks. I want to see if the BCM is seeing the command. So that's our left front door switch. And right now it says not pressed, so if we press it, it sees the command. It's not working. And so a little history on this. The BCM's already been replaced. This master switch has already been replaced. And now I have it. It's from another facility. So we're going to quickly diagnose this. We're going to go to the BCM, check powers and grounds. Obviously it's seeing the command. The BCM sees the command, it can't carry it out. So we're going to go back to the BCM, check our powers and grounds, and go from there. Alright, so we got the connected, disconnected from the BCM, and we are probed into the wires that run the door locks to lock and unlock them. That's a light green, dark green, and a violet and light green wire. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply power and see if the locks work, and that will verify our circuit integrity. There's our lock. And as you can see, they work. They all locked. That one's locked. So the fact that we can power them up from here and they will lock and unlock. Here, let me see if I can switch it around a little bit here, one-handed. And then let's see what happens. There we go. So now I'm going to go after the BCM. I'm going to check our powers and grounds at the BCM. There's our red, and then next to it's the red and yellow, and then above it's the black, and then next to that's the red wire. Those are our powers and grounds. And I'm just going to have you look at the meter. 12.8. And go to our ground. 0. Go to our next power. 12.8, go to our last power. 4.9 volts. Should be battery voltage, source voltage. So we have a problem on that power feed. So we're going to voltage drop the circuit and see what the problem is. This is our fuse on that circuit. Feeds that red and yellow wire. The fuse is good. I tested it. I have power going into this side of the fuse, and where it goes out from here over through the firewall. So I was hoping this is going to be a good one for you guys for voltage drop. This is the harness that runs under the inner fender from the battery, and it didn't take very long to see the issue. But I'll show you anyways. If we go on this side, that's our voltage going to the BCM. Now if I go in front of it, we have source voltage 12.89. That corrosion is where the voltage is dropping. And I moved it enough where it's actually broken now, so it's completely open circuited. But that was our thief. It's stealing the voltage to the BCM. So we're going to repair that wire and retest our door locks. Alright guys, so we got the wire repaired. There you go. That's for the key fob. And then if we hit the button up on the door, and they all work. Alright guys, so always check your powers and your grounds. Moral of the story. Alright, have a great day.